Oh, we got kicked off of off the hammer. So,
Take some ammunition.
how you doing, buddy? Got some ammo
Where
for
to
you.
be, soldier?
And well, we're in the snow world. This is my Mossy. I'm gonna change the camo to. I remember gonna show people this camo before, and it screwed up because I forgot. So now I'm gonna show it to you. It's this Ice Flow. It's a nerfed camo, or they just took it out. I don't know why. Sometimes they bring stuff in and take it out. I don't know. But I like it. I really like it. This is my new Mossy, by the way. Oh yeah. They got some new stuff coming out in about 3 days, so you'll probably see it next weekend. But money's tight right now, so I hate to say it, but I might not have it. Maybe we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. That's what that looks like. Ice Flow. Oh yeah. Looks good, eh? Nice. Okay, where are we headed? Where are we headed? We'll just head towards that way, and somebody's going that way already, so he must know where he's going. So, let's see. How you doing, buddy? Oh. What would have got? Oh, that guy's so fucked. So fucked. Oh, toast. The server seems to be working pretty good for a change. Nice.
The rebellion on Hobson has been put down. You do the Republic
right there.
proud.
Yeah, there's two. Shit, missed. Oh, did he get? Oh no, it's right there. I'm up. Oh yeah, patched on. Wasn't very Paxtony or whatever, something like that. I don't know. Bet. Another one. Get that son of a bitch. Good job, guys. Sky 6 dropping in. Sky 6 is River 3. This is Sky 4. We're coming in. That's good. We're here for a reason. To show off my ride. Take the point. That wasn't funny, was it? No, I wish this was canned like the same color as your can. That would be cool.
Stay frosty. This fight is all but won.
Oh yeah. What's up there? Let's try to get in the hole. Forget it. Looks like we're fine. Just making sure. Just making sure. 17 seconds. Okay. Now can I get out of here? Can I get out of here without killing myself? Sure I can. Oh, shit. Sure I can. I will stop it, son of a bitch! Bitch! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Oh thought it wasn't. Something's wrong. Engine's gone. This guy needs some help. Let's help him out. Right on, buddy. Gotcha.
I'm an engineer. I'll repair you.
Fixing you. Welding this plate. You got holes in this plate over here. Is welding it good for you?
I'll start repairs.
There you go. Good to go, buddy. Thanks a lot, man. Whoa! Thanks for watching. Warpink Gamer sad. I gotta watch that.